Hello everyone. First off, welcome to my channel. On this channel, I make videos on programming as well as other kind of technical stuff like Arduino. This video is the third one of the series where I explain the functioning of the chat application I built using ReactNative and PHP. Until now, I explained the signing process and chat process of this app. As from this video, I'll be focusing on the main pages of this application where user is able to share photos, post, and comment on other posts. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, we are back in the VS Code. Let's open the project and take a peek at the home page, which also happen to be the main user interface of this application. Go to the project and open the home. Let me go to the top. This is the main page of this application. When user sign in or sign up to the application, after they are successfully signed in, they are directed to this page as this is the main home page. In this page, I have used React Native React icons as well as Lottery React Native. And at the top, as we can see, as in storage mainly. In the main function, I have used use states as well as use ref. Let's go down inside the safe area view. This renders all the main components, and here is the flat list which loads the post inside this view. Let's go to the rend item. The rend item is the item UI. Let's go to the item UI function. This is the function, as you can see, renders the item UI. As we can see from the view in the right side, I have put up an example how we can see the main home page once it is loaded. As from in the post view, details of the post as well as the user of the post can be seen in the post view, and the user is able to comment on those posts as well. Inside the post, let's go. There are several options a user can interact with. As for one, they can go to the user page of one of the posts, or they can comment on them by going to the comment section of the page. As for other functionalities, there's a horizontal flat list inside the head of this vertical flat list, and this horizontal flat list renders the user profile images of the other users of the application, so a user can interact with them through those buttons. As those images are also interactable buttons, they can be directed to the pages of the owner. Here's the navigation part of the horizontal list. As for the vertical list, there's also navigation part here, navigation to post view. They can navigate to the owner of the post by clicking on their name, as you can see here. And there's the like function where user can add a like to the post of a certain person. Go to the like part here. This is touchable opacity where someone can interact by pressing more than half a second. Here, using this touchable opacity, one can like to a post, and the like on press request function is called on a long press. Let's go to the like on press request and the like on here. Inside this function, the like will be added to the corresponding post, and those are the main functionalities inside the home page. From the server side of the home page, we go to the home page post load. Here, this is the main page which loads the post from the database and send back to the client side. As you can see, this gets data from database, and then using a for loop, pack them in two arrays, one for the horizontal flat list and the other for vertical flat list, where we render the post inside the main UI. Here, this is the for loop where we pack the user object inside the array. Inside this for loop, we insert the post objects inside the array, and the other one we use in homepage is the like post process. This is the one we use to insert whether a user liked or not to a post. Once the user interact with the post and like a certain post, a request will be sent to the server side, and if the user already liked that, it won't be recorded. But if the user have not, then it will be recorded as a new like. Alright, now let's take a look at the walkthrough of the home page.
love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time